For some reason, I can never successfully burp our baby, but Cameron can every single time. What's the secret?
She just burped.
Are you kidding me?
It took me like 30 seconds. Mal, how long were you burping her?
I was literally burping her for like 5 minutes.
It took me 30 seconds.
I saw it in a Matt and Abby video to do it over the sink so that if she spits up, you don't have to clean it up, you know what I mean?
But that doesn't help me on how to get her to actually burp.
I don't know, you just have to be better, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't know. That sounds so mean.
Am I just too weak?
No, you're not weak. Oh, she burped again.
Are you kidding? You know what I think it is?
What?
I think it's kind of like when you open up a jar of pickles, where like I loosened it.
You think that you loosened up the burps?
I think so.